Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare masala broccoli recipe. Ingredients required to prepare this recipe are: I have taken one broccoli and I have cut them into florets like this. So you can cut it into small florets, nicely wash it and then cut it. And then here I have taken 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. This is 1 big onion chopped. 1 big tomato chopped. You can just roughly cut them. This is 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. This is for the color. And here I have taken 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. I have taken 2 dried red chilies and I have broken them into halves. And I'll be preparing my recipe in the mustard oil. So the first step that I'm going to do is I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan. So here I have heated 2 tablespoons of oil, and now I'm going to add the chopped onions. Now, after our onion becomes little bit cooked or slightly pinkish in color, we will add the dried red chilies. I'm sauteing it over medium flame. Then now I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste. And I will cook till the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes. You can also use chopped ginger and garlic if you want, friends. Just the raw taste of the ginger garlic should go over a medium flame, or else it will get burnt. After the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste disappears, I'm going to add the broccoli into this. And I will saute this for 2 minutes over a medium flame, just for the broccoli to get little bit that fried texture. Now friends, after our broccolis have a little fried texture, as you can see, I'm going to add the tomatoes. And all the dried spices, the chili powder, the cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, everything I'm going to add it now. This is the time you can add salt also. Salt is as per your taste. And now I will saute this and cook for another 5 minutes over a high flame. After 5 minutes, friends, you can see the oil coming out from the masalas, and the masala is very nicely prepared. Now we are not going to use spoon. We'll just toss it like this. And we will cook for another 3 minutes over a high flame. So friends, here is our broccoli recipe ready. So I will put off the flame and I will transfer it to the serving bowl. Here is our yummy masala broccoli ready. Very easy to prepare and it tastes very yummy, friends. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. See you soon, friends. Bye.